Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yes, my people, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Manners, you see it? Yeah, today is Sunday, my people. So I'm going to try and keep this video as family friendly as possible. Alright? Yeah, alright. So the first thing we want to talk to you about is about a video that I saw on social media that shows insects on snacks. See it? Now, some comments that I saw on social media about that video, I think are somewhat unfair. Yes, I say viewers and subscribers, yeah, because, you know, some of the comments that we see, in my point of view, jump to conclusion. And more of a point out that when it comes on to something like that, where insects somehow ended up on snacks, there are quite a number of ways that could have happened. Yes, I say viewers and subscribers, yeah, I mean, one of those ways that could have happened is by where those snacks had been stored, like at a shop, supermarket, or even at a customer's home. You see me, I say, I'm gonna rule out manufacturer's fault, you know. No, but at the same time, we have to be careful of how we jump to conclusion when it comes down to certain videos on social media. See? Yeah, because it's not right to tear down a company's name when whatsoever happened is not the company's fault. So, my people, just point out them things, my people. And, you know, one of the main reasons why I talk about that video is to say to each and every one, please be careful of what you buy and eat. Don't be afraid to inspect your food before you start eating it. And I think that's the best thing to do. Yeah, don't just buy food and just guap it down. No. Inspect it. Yeah, alright, now my people, now, I saw a video that shows a well-known person who goes by the name of Muta. See, now, Muta is a person who is well-known on and off social media. And this video shows Muta not wearing any shoes. Now, my people, want you listen to some things that a person said to Muta. Listen.
One pair shoes.
Yeah? Let me play it again. Listen.
One pair shoes.
Alright. Now, more you hear what Muta said to the person. Listen.
Now your father house where your mother did there. Remember?
Well, let me repeat, let me play it again, my people. See, listen again.
Now your father house where your mother did there. Remember? Now your father house 11 shoes. Where your mother did there. Where your mother did there. Because yourself the teacher.
Now you tell me, my people, is that a intelligent disrespect or a joke? Leave your answer in the comment section, my people, because I'm not sure if that is a joke or if that was an intelligent way of disrespecting someone. You see me I say? But big up Muta. So me see a video on social media that shows how a man behave bad inside of a KFC fast food joint, as also some people might say, viewers and subscribers. I mean, the man's behavior was not really pleasant in some people's eyes, even though some people find some of the things that the person said to be somewhat funny. You see, you ever hear a saying when them say, a hungry man is an angry man? Well, my people, when you look on the video and tell me if you think this man was hungry or if you think the man was just angry. You can tell me what I think overall about this video. Observe the people.
But that's why wickedness can't happen up. Wickedness cannot. A-I-Z-E-X-T-Y. Don't have any other I-T-Y. Planet go outside. Eh? When they even try to plan the whole I'm trying to be police them. I barbecue. Awa. Barbecue. What me get this? So what is it? Anyone? Anyone? So what is it? Some young someone start. What? I don't have your teeth. What do you mean you don't give me Islam? Me don't pay for it. I don't pay my back a goat press while to Rati.
Say what?
How?
So they tell me something from the year start till the year end. You know working at KFC. I mean, you not take 1 day. This year no see no period. At KFC 2 months. Yeah.
And I will still know people. Whether man they say want straw for, you know. Nobody no need to know that, you know. Yeah man, keep that to yourself, man. You see me as sometimes one day for trouble some people of make or maybe a joke them around, but some people run some serious and dangerous jokes still, know my people. Yeah man, some people ways of running joke, man, is somewhat overboard. But you know, I tell you people, you know. When you say you want this straw for though, nobody no need to know that, brother. Yeah, people, tell me what you think about that video there. Saying, what you think about that person's behavior or attitude or the way they go along. That's what Jamaicans might say. I tell you. Another topic now, my people. See? Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to listen carefully to some things that a certain amount of persons who you can see in this video said. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. See me I say? Yeah, listen carefully and please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe with me.
I know the meaning of my word.
Chiplet hour.
Chiplet.
Chiplet hour.
Chiplet mean of trees.
Here. And twin hour.
Twins is of twos.
Yeah, and you say in
Piglet of 6.
You
are pigs. You say piglet. Me say piglet. Piglet. You cannot pronounce it because you don't have any tooth. You want the fuck up. I did not say piglet. I did not say piglet. I said piglet. That means the meaning of kids.
So when you go start get pitney, you go up piglet. Yeah. And 3 hour. Chiplet.
Teacher.
Oh
God.
No, you must say when you go get pitney. You must tell me to go get pitney. You say we get 2.
Yeah. What you get?
Me say, who much you get? He say, when me get pitney, me get piglet. Yo, the
I did
wire.
not say piglets.
What you say?
I said piglets.
So that
So what
means
is piglet?
When you have again, I say piglets. That means I can breed a lady and she can have up to 6 kids.
and that's the meaning of what?
That's the meaning of piglets. Up to 10 kids.
Give us the piglet. If you're going
My people. Alright, you know what? Let me look up what piplets mean. You see me? Let me look it up right away because this doesn't make sense. Voila, me spell it wrong. Voila, and I get my people. Me don't know if I spell it wrong, my people, but me can't find the word where me hear in that video there. Maybe I spell it wrong. You see me I say, yeah, me say pipette, me say even pilot and all different word, but me not see that word. So my people, if you have any idea about that word, you can let me know in the comment section. You see me? I think sextuplets might be the word where the person I look for. You know what I mean? Yes, sextuplet, I think so. You see me? I say plets, I should say. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Trinidad and Tobago. This video is going to show police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago and persons from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago arguing with each other. In this video, you can hear someone basically saying children inside there, and the person also mentioned gun as well to viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I mean, for you to get a good understanding about the situation, I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself. And listen carefully if you're not from Trinidad, just in case if you cannot totally understand the accent. And big up and respect to all of my people them from Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, manners and respect. You see, today is Sunday. I'm just try to keep this video as family friendly as possible. Observe.
That children inside it.
You can't leave my place, Sonia. My place. You can't leave my place. Mr. Man, never mind this.
That children inside it, boy. Put on that gun, boy.
Not again here, boy.
How are you? You're going to that guy.
Watch them. Watch him. This one here, pulling gun for people. Yeah,
Hey, John!
Alright, so the video gets somewhat glitchy right there, so viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, it start to move a certain type of way. But anyways, eventually, those police officers we can see in the video left that scene where and when the video be recorded. So I say, yeah, them leave. You know what I mean? Yes, more than one police officers was at that location when that video had been made, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, and I think I might time for leave too, you know. Yeah, man, I might time for leave too. So big up and respect to each and every one, my people. Blessed Sunday. And I hope that everything is okay and alright with each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. I really and truly appreciate each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Without you, the Dancehall Skilla channel would not be possible. Alright? Yeah, so me I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.